Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Quick View. I go by the name Soji Gray. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to do that by hitting the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. To Huawei, price and performance are not two mutually exclusive concepts. With the Y series, Huawei demonstrates its commitment to affordable and capable devices. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, as one of the newest devices to join the Y series, is no exception. It features the large 6.26-inch Huawei dual-drop display, a 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel AI camera with master AI support, and a class-leading 4000 mAh battery, which provides an outstanding battery life up to 2 days. Honestly, it punches above its weight to deliver great experience that is unprecedented at its price level. It's exactly what the youth of today want and more. To maximize the display area of today's video-loving youth, Huawei puts its newest Huawei dual-drop display onto the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 has an awesome 720 by 1520 pixel display and a massive 86.7% screen-to-body ratio, much higher than the industry average. In the dual-drop cutout, you'd find a powerful 16-megapixel shooter that is capable of taking crisp, vibrant selfies, and a speaker grille which makes the general appearance of the front panel of the device good to look at. The selfie camera has a number of features such as smile detection and gesture control that make taking selfies less stressful. At the back of the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, you'll find dual 13-megapixel and 2-megapixel cameras. The primary 13-megapixel camera has a wide aperture of f1.8 and combined with a 2-megapixel depth sensor lens, you can take some really amazing shots. The master AI on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 has got an upgrade. Now it can recognize over 22 different categories and more than 150 scenes, guys. AI helps you to optimize your scene so that every shot comes out perfect from the get-go, saving you the hassle of editing photos after. When Master AI is enabled, simply point the camera to something that piques your interest, then the AI will automatically attempt to identify the object and adjust the parameters for the best possible shot. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 features Face Unlock 2.0, a quick and easy way to unlock your device. One can also use Face Unlock to access apps that have been locked, and that to me is a feature that comes in very handy. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core CPU. It features 8 ARM Cortex-A53 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz to deliver great multi-core performance at superb battery efficiency. It runs with an Adreno 506 GPU with Vulkan support, delivering smooth performance when playing games. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 houses a large 4000 mAh battery, providing 2-day worth of usage for users. Thanks to Huawei's breakthrough battery technologies, the cell inside the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 retains at least 80% of its full capacity even after 700 recharges, which means the battery stays highly reliable even after 2 years of normal use. I love that the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 supports dual 4G and dual voice over LTE. This feature helps users to simultaneously use one SIM to make calls while using the other for uninterrupted cellular data connection. Another feature that I'm personally a fan of is the Huawei Share 2.0, and it enables users to exchange files and photos with other Huawei devices at speeds up to 20 megabits per second. So I really love this feature. Thumbs up to Huawei for including this into their Huawei devices. Another feature I do love about the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is party mode. In this mode, users may link together multiple Huawei and Honor devices to play music. That way you can turn up the party without actual speakers but still end up having a good time. The smart management battery features on this device is mind-boggling. This device features an integrated smart battery management system, and this system automatically detects battery-intensive apps and notifies the user when they are running in the background. The battery usage of each hardware component is also listed, so users can see which parts of the devices are consuming the most battery at a glance. For 1,000 Ghana cedi, this device is a great bargain. Great cameras, battery, design, and display. However, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay blessed.